for a TV transmitter. So here we have a modified culprit oscillator. This culprit oscillator here, we have a crystal. Normally you have this crystal connect one to this point at the base of the transistor, the other one at the ground, and then you have two capacitors going from here and then to the center. So one from here and one from there, and then both of them, the center of them, going to here. So normally you will have something like let me draw a separate one. You have a crystal like this, and then you have two capacitors. One is here, one is there, then the center of them. So this will be pin 1, this will be 2, and this will be 3. So if you're using a 2-pin crystal, but in our case we're using a 3-pin crystal, so we're replacing that 2-pin crystal with this one here, the center of that, which is pin 2, sorry. So here's 1, here's 2, here's 3. The center goes to the emitter circuit of this transistor. We're going to keep it short. We're going to build it up. We haven't built it up. We're going to build it up, and then in the next live session we'll test it out, and then we're going to try to contain it on one half of the circuit so we can build the TV transmitter, the TV modulator on the right hand side, and we have the full TV transmitter on this board. And subsequently, so it's going to be 3 parts. First part is going to be the audio modulator. We will test it using a shortwave receiver, because we're going to modulate it at 4.5 megahertz. Then the right hand side is going to be on a higher frequency, the TV transmission range. My analog TV, of course, we have an analog TV to test that. Then the third part will be the difficult or challenging part, will be to combine both of them and have one complete TV transmitter. Let's solve that problem. We love solving challenges. All right, remember to like, subscribe, share, comment, and we're going to do this practically together. We're not going to keep you here on how to solder. So we're going to solder it up. If you want to learn how to solder, look around this video. You will see a link to how to solder circuits. You learn how to solder circuit from there. You can also learn how to draw a good circuit diagram like we did here. You see this line is crossing like just a cross, if you will, but they are not joined together. You can see whenever we have a join, we put a dot there. All right, so there's no joining here. If you want to learn more, look around here also to find out how to draw a good circuit diagram. All right, thank you. Bye bye.